Welcome back, everyone. I just filmed an intro outside, but I think it's going to be too windy to use, so I just want to recap on what I said. I'm currently out, I don't know if it'll be in focus, but out in the middle of nowhere. Got some water, got some woods behind us. I was feeling a little homesick for Maine, so I just went for a drive and didn't stop until I found exactly what I was looking for, which is just a bunch of beautiful sights. Like I said, you got the water in the woods, you can hear people shooting guns off in the background. Very nostalgic for me. So I found that. Gonna get the day started. I think it's a little after noon. We're just gonna go around and film a vlog today. Checking in, finally back to civilization. I got incredibly lost out in the woods and then actually just popped out on a side road not too far from my house, so that worked out perfectly. Right now I'm gonna head into town, pick up a few things, one of them being lunch because I am starving, and then I think I'm gonna come home, maybe watch some football and maybe clean up around the house a little bit. So not a whole lot going on today. I did hurt my back skateboarding about a week ago. So kind of limited as to what I can do. But I am hoping to get that all healed up and then maybe do some snowboarding in the next week or two. I would love to make a snowboard video, actually use my GoPro for once. So yeah, I'm gonna head into town and I will talk to you guys in a minute. And I failed to find lunch, so I think I'm just gonna head into Starbucks for maybe an hour or two, start editing today's vlog. That way I don't have so much to do tonight, and I can really enjoy the football games and get some stuff done around the house like I said I was going to. So I'm gonna take a quick editing break, and I will see you guys in a minute. I'm home now. I ended up going to the doctor once I left Starbucks. I was in so much pain that I didn't even think to grab my camera and film, but I got that checked out. It's a little worse than I thought it was going to be, so I'm just going to take it easy for the rest of the night. I filmed myself actually doing some stuff around the house. I'll put that in right after this outro, but I want to say thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you next Monday. If you are a new viewer, please hit that subscribe button down below. I do videos every week, and I only hope to ramp that up in the future. So please leave a like and a comment down below, and I will see you guys next Monday.